Ian here, reporting on Kita Construction Group, LLC, a Diamond certified roofing contractor serving residential and commercial clients throughout the Bay Area. Our Diamond certified research shows that President Peter Kim and CEO Jay Tabu lead a team of professionals who have decades of experience in both roofing and related home improvement work like remodeling, painting, and water damage restoration. Kita Construction Group is certified by top roofing manufacturers like CertainTeed and GAF, and it backs its work with warranties of up to 20 years. Founded in 1979, Kita Construction Group stands out for its hands-on service, skilled craftsmanship, and strong communication. Mr. Kim says his team aims to deliver white glove service by educating clients about their options and staying involved throughout their projects, thus earning their trust and long-term loyalty. That's our report on Kita Construction Group, where, as Mr. Kim says, it's not just about roofs, it's about enhancing the entire home experience. I'm Ian Leary, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.